Hello there. I'm Tim Curran, half of the finance couple, and welcome to 2 Minutes with Tim, where we look to infuse financial planning with just a little bit of common sense. Today, I want to talk about tax allocation. What is tax allocation? Look, everyone talks about asset allocation, and I think most people are familiar with the concept of asset allocation, investing in different parts of the investment universe, whether it's domestic or international equities, et cetera, et cetera. But there's a couple other concepts. One is asset dedication. Nobody talks about asset dedications. It's actually an alternative or a complementary form to asset allocation that we actually employ in our practice here. And then one of the big ones that I talk a lot about is tax allocation. And I've always got to, whenever we talk about taxes, I've got to offer the disclaimer that please talk to your tax professional before you make any tax moves. With that being said, tax allocation is a simple concept of knowing that some asset classes perform not necessarily better, but more efficiently possibly in different accounts. For instance, in general, we tend to believe stocks might be better located outside of an IRA or a 401k. So in the future, you can utilize capital gains and or losses. Remember, typically anything that comes out of an IRA or 401k, regardless of what you do, is going to be taxed as income in most cases. So when you create that asset allocation plan, make sure that you're being cognizant of, not necessarily directed by, but you need to be cognizant of tax allocation. What asset classes deserve to be in what types of accounts, whether it's a non-IRA account, an IRA account, a Roth IRA, a 401k, you name it. So once again, as I tell everyone, investing isn't easy, but it should be simple. Like, this is not easy stuff, but tax allocation is a simple concept if it's applied. I would hazard a guess not a lot of people, not a lot of advisors do look at this. We do. We think it's very important. Thanks so much for joining us again. Please don't do anything with your tax strategy until you first consult with your tax professional. Join us next week. We'll have a different topic. If you have a question you want me to answer in the future, send an email to tcurran@lpl.com. And have a great rest of the week. And as always, mind your state of mind. Take care.